Bitcoin analysis. Hello legends, welcome to today's stream. Today I will analyze Bitcoin, AMD, Blur versus USDT, Silver and Ethereum. It's been a crazy week, a lot of volatility like expected in last week's video. We expected a decision and Bitcoin went to the downside. So let's see on the technical choice where we are, if we found support, if we lost the construction or maintaining construction. So let's start at the weekly. So as you can see, big red candle. Okay, today's closure is very important. We want to hold the support as high as possible. Change to the daily. At the daily time frame, you can see a rejection from the drop off, the 30.8k drop off, and also we lost this support which brought us all the way up here, but we maintaining to hold the lower range of the lower area of the whole range here. I will make last week's plan visible. And I will change to the 4-hour. On Tuesday, it looked very bullish because at the first time we did hold the most aggressive support here, the 2960 level. So if you took a trade from there, congrats. That's almost 5% gains. Then the second touch was here, this 27.8. We did try to go up from there, but didn't succeed. Also, if you enter there, 1.5%. With the proper risk management, you should have already be in profit there. So I will add some levels who are important for now. So here the 27.2, that's the lower part of the whole range here. We are still holding that for now. So very important what will happen coming days. Will we regain this range and maintain the upwards construction, or will we lose support and go lower? I'll change to the 4-hour again. Be careful, there might be some liquidity wick all the way until 26k. Okay, I will remove the scenarios from last week and I will change to the daily. So what can we expect the coming days? Either we maintain the current support and then we will test the 31,000 again. We maintain current support, reject the 29k and go lower. That's around 26 or 25, and try to come back in the range. So either here the liquidity wick 26 or even lower between 24.8 or 25.2. And if we manage to reclaim, have a gain, test the 32k, then there will probably be a new entry, the aggressive one again around 29k, and else the defensive one around 27.8. So the 5 scenarios for the coming days. Okay, and from Bitcoin USDT, I will go to AMD, Advanced Micro Devices. Okay, this was a previous plan which didn't work out. I will remove them. And let's start at the monthly. What do we see? We tested this area, the $56. We tested it here, bounced. The 56 was important because this brought us all the way to the all-time high. Retest, bounce. Okay. From the monthly to the weekly. A low, and high, and higher low, and higher high, another higher low, and another higher high. Rejection of the drop off of 99.23, but locally we still in the upwards construction. So either retest around $75 and try to break the $99, with potential targets of 112 and 123. Oh, let me change that to the weekly, and I will change to the daily. Okay, or the aggressive play, bounce from the $85 and try to break the $99, aiming the $112. Yeah, so that should be the plan. Let me see how much it is. The aggressive entry 15%, defensive entry that will be around 29, almost 30%. I think that's very nice. So I will wait for the defensive one. If it doesn't play out, it doesn't play out. No problems. A lot of chances and opportunities in the market. So then we will move on to the next one. Okay, and from advanced micro devices, I will go to Blur versus USDT. So as you can see, the chart is not so old. The coin is from February, so we don't have much information. Trading is based on information from the past. But anyway, let's see what we can do. Okay, this is the daily chart. Low and high, high, low, high, 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 low, high, high. We've gained this area, the 65 cent area, a rejection of the 88 cent area. Okay, I will change to the 4-hour. Okay. What can we expect? Either a rejection at the 72-73 cent area, aiming to go lower, let's say around 44 cent, and try to hold support there. A rejection at the 81 cent, and then back to the 55 cent, trying to bounce from there. Or we will have a gain of the whole range, a retest around 65 cent, aiming for $1.04 or even higher. Yeah, okay, so that's Blur versus USDT. And from Blur, I will go to silver. Silver might be interesting to buy silver. Let's see it on the daily chart. A lot of problems with fiat money lately. So gold and silver is very interesting. For the long term. So as you can see, those two levels, it's a range. The range between 17.90 and 27.47. That's the mid range. Then we have here the higher range and the upper range. Okay, we tested the lower range. I'll change to the weekly. No weekly gain yet of the 25.60, but we did maintain to have a higher low here and a higher high. So yeah. Okay, I will draw some scenarios. Either a rejection, we hold high around 22.14 and try to break the 25.63, aiming for the $27, or a rejection and we go back to the start of the impulse around 20.51, try to break the 25 again. Or we go straight up, we gain the whole area, test the $29 immediately, and then a pullback around $25 and try to aim for the higher ranges above 29. Okay, so that's the plan for silver the coming days, and from silver I will go to Ethereum. I will start at the weekly chart. Also a red candle. It seems that Ethereum is holding higher than Bitcoin. If I compare it from the weekly, I will change to the daily. So we did manage to hold the 1845 area. I will make last week's plan visible. So this scenario played out very well for now. So congrats if you took the most defensive trade. The other two didn't work out. I will remove them. So this scenario is still in play. What can we expect? I'll add another level. So either we will test the 2140 again, a rejection around the 2000 and then try to aim lower, and that can be either around 1776 or 1668. And try to reclaim the range. So yeah, that's the plan for Ethereum the coming days. Don't forget to subscribe. Join Team NakedTrader if you like this content, so you don't miss any opportunity, any week updates or whatever out. You can find it in the description or in the banner. Follow me in all the socials. Thank you guys for watching this week's episode, and have a nice evening, and see you in the next one. Cheers, bye bye.